Well, this is what I'm going to be fishing today. The spillway on Timber Creek. I sure wish they'd fix it, but it looks like it still works pretty well. I've only fished here once before and didn't catch anything, but I said in the new year I'm going to try to do more river fishing. Well, here I am. It's January 1st. Happy New Year, everybody. We'll see what we can catch. Oh! Shit. Whoa! Friggin' broke my tripod. But I got a fish. Stay on. He's small. I think. Oh, blue cat. Sweet. On Kool-Aid. Oh, dude, is he gut hooked? All right, guys. Kool-Aid chicken caught me a blue cat. He's hooked perfectly too, guys. I might try to make me a stringer or something out of this, some braid or something, and see if I can't take a few of these to my pond and stock it. I probably made an ass of myself doing this, but you guys know that I don't normally keep fish, so this is very much new to me. Perfect. There's a tree root right here I can tie it on to. That'll hold them in place. I want to get a bucket of water in that cooler right now, so when it comes time to get out of here, I'm not, you know, dicking around for 20 minutes trying to figure out how to get water for these fish. I'm gonna get one more. I mean, this right here, I'm standing on just a few inches of concrete. It's hollowed out underneath me from erosion. I have no doubt somebody's gonna die here someday, but I guess until the city gets sued, they're not gonna fix it. And hopefully they do fix it and don't just get rid of it. I think that's good. So I think once you put a couple fish in there, the water level is gonna raise up anyway, and I don't want it overflowing. Beautiful spillway. It's sort of broken and falling apart, but it actually looks kind of cooler. It looks more like a natural waterfall now. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take this guy to the pond. Looks like he's doing okay. I think he'll make it there. It's only about a 20-minute drive, and I got an aerator for the cooler, so let's get it. All right, I just checked our new blue cat friend. He made it. He's doing okay. I mean, as okay as he can be right now. He's not feeling the best, obviously. He's got a hole in his mouth, and oh, that water's so cold. So cold. All right, let's weigh him real quick. No way. 3.11. He was heavier than I thought. I thought he was about 2.5 pounds. Anyway, oh look, somebody killed a carp here. That's just great. Here you go. It was a one full of eggs too. I'm gonna at least put it in the water, that way maybe some big catfish will eat it. Man, I wish they'd stop doing that. I'm gonna have to talk. I know the guy that's doing it too. I'm gonna have to talk to him, dude. He's gonna make a freaking big stinky mess out here killing all these carp. We got at least 4 blue cats in here now. So there you have it. Thanks for watching, everybody.